Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Prep World. In today's video, again, we will be taking the series forward, Grammar Made Easy for You all. In today's session, we will be learning about the topic adjectives and adverbs, the topic that confuses a lot of people. I will be teaching you through fun tips and tricks, common mistakes and quizzes so that you will never mistake them again. So let's dive into that. Now, what are adjectives? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. It tells us what kind, how many, or which one about a noun. For example, a beautiful dress, 3 apples, this book. Now, did you see adjectives helps us to add details about a subject, a noun or a pronoun, and makes the sentence colorful. For example, if I say, I saw a cat. And for example, if I say, I saw an orange fluffy cat. Which one sounds better? Obviously, the latter one. Now, the next part. What is an adverb? Let's see. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It tells us how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. For example, she runs quickly. It was extremely cold outside. They arrived yesterday. Now, did you see the difference? Adverbs give us the information about an action, or in a grammatical language, if I say, adverbs tells about the verb. Same way as to adjectives tells about the noun. But what to use, when to use, and most importantly, where to use. I am going to give you the ultimate shortcut for that. Now, how to distinguish adjectives and adverbs. Now, here is a simple tricks. Now, adverbs tell you how an action is performed, whereas adjective tells you how a person or a thing is. For example, the cake tastes sweet. Now, here the adjective is sweet, which is describing about how the cake tastes. Another sentence, she sings sweetly. Now, here adverbs is sweetly because it is describing an action of singing. See, as I told you, if a thing describes a person or a thing, it is an adjective. It is describing an action, it is an adverb. This is as simple as that. Now, there are certain words where you all make mistakes. For example, fast versus quickly, hard versus hardly, good versus well, how to use and when to use them. Let me explain it to you. The first one, fast versus quickly. He runs fastly. This is a wrong sentence. He runs fast. This is the right sentence. Fast is an adverb but doesn't take ly with it. For example, she completed the test fast. He replied to the message quickly. The train moved fast but she walked quickly to catch it. Now, fast is one word that acts as both adjective as well as an adverb. So make sure to remember, never use fastly anywhere. It doesn't exist. There is no such word like that. The second one, good versus well. She did good on the test. This is a wrong sentence. The right sentence is, she did well on the test. Good is an adjective, but well is an adverb. Another examples, she speaks well. Describing how she speaks, use well. That was a good movie. Because we are describing about the movie here, it is a noun. That's why we are going to use good, which is an adjective. He plays the guitar well, but he is also a good musician. Here, well is used because it is describing how he plays the guitar. Good is used because it is describing how good he is as a musician. So, as you know clearly, if you're describing an action, use well. If you're describing a noun or person, a thing, you use good. The third one, hard versus hardly. He studies hardly before exams. It's a wrong one. The right sentence is, he studies hard before exams. Hardly means almost not. It comes in a negative connotation. Another examples, she works hard every day. I hardly know him. It means I barely or almost not know him. The boxer hit the opponent hard, but he hardly felt it. Now here in this case, hard can be both adjective as well as an adverb, but hardly entirely means different. Or I must say it entirely means into an opposite direction. So be careful with this one. Alright, it's time for a quick quiz for you. Now here I am going to say 2 sentences and you are going to tell me which one is the correct one by dropping the right answers into the comment box. Now, which sentence is correct? He speaks clear or he speaks clearly. Make sure to drop down your answers into the comment box. Now, let's do a quick recap or a quick revision of what all we have learned in this video. Number 1, adjectives describes noun. Number 2, adverbs describe actions or any verb. Number 3, an adverb usually ends with ly. Number 4, always remember the difference between fast, quickly, good, well, hard and hardly. And see guys, just like this, you have differentiated adjectives and adverbs really easy. If you like this video, if this video has helped you, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to our channel Prep World. In the next coming sessions of Grammar Made Easy, I will be coming up for you with such short and nice tricks for you to remember English grammar easily. Till then, bye-bye.